morning YouTube and YouTube viewers. This is a new different type of vlog today. As I'm not with the normal troops, I'm not with the burlesque lot today. We're heading to Barton Carnival and I'm going to show you back my jumper. Here we go, Pretty Moon jumper. So I've got Twisted Bells, Star Entertainment and my YouTube channel, JB Vlogs. So today I am heading to Barton Carnival where I will be doing some balloon modelling and 3 stints of kids dances, party games and all that jazz. I'm hoping someone is going to be able to do some recording for me. Just want to turn into a bit of a vlog so you can see what I actually do. But yeah, let's, first things first, Can of Monster. For me, I am wearing shorts today because my Oppo suit that I bought off Vinted didn't come in time. And I don't just want to wear plain jeans, because I think it just looks a bit rubbish. But you're meant to be an entertainer, you want to be bright, you want to be cool, you want to be seen. So I'm now wearing some funky shorts. And then I've just had a text message from Sean saying the ground's really wet to make sure I'm wearing sensible shoes. So I'm having to wear my really old grey and white, cream and black Jordans. So I look a bit of a twat, but it's fine. I have all my sweets, all my prizes, I have my balloons in the back. I have my Can of Monster. I do have a bottle of water as well. I don't just drink Monster before someone starts going, Monster. But, oh, Scooby! There we go. So let's go and try and stay warm. And just like that, I'm in Barton. So I was just determined to not say so many times in my vlogs today. Just thought, I've got a bit of time to kill here. And someone literally asked me a minute ago on my Snapchat story why I have 2 companies on my jumper. So that basically, there's a bit of a story. So we rewind all the way back to 2013, where I met a guy in an American sweet shop in Scunthorpe under the name Lee. He had an awesome Buzz Lightyear costume, got chatting to him, because I'll talk to anybody. And we just started talking. He goes, oh, look, do you want to come work for me? I was just like, yeah, cool. No idea what I'm doing, but yeah. I was quite young and I didn't have a job at the time. He handed me a balloon and a pump and he went, go for it. So I did. That then leads to me meeting another Lee, who was the owner of the company from It's Party Time. The company had only been running for just under a year when I met him. Like I said, this was back in 2013. One led thing to another. I started working weekends for him. And then this developed into me getting a Ford Transit and then giving up my normal job and going working for Lee and Kerry full time. Over the years, the company developed into something huge. We had bounce castles, we did parties, we did discos, we did absolutely everything. Kerry then had It's Party Junior, which dealt with smaller bounce castles, soft play stuff, ball pits. We did like face paints, glitter tattoos. Like I say, you name it, we did it. We'd turn up to a party and we could do the entire party. And then fast forward a few more years, my van went in for an MOT and it failed drastically, like to the point of it was like 3 sheets long. So it come to the point of we had to get rid of the van. I was then going back to doing parties from my car, which wasn't sustainable for the business. So then I had to go get a normal job again and still do a couple of odd parties on the side. And then I believe COVID hit. So then obviously that wiped everything out. Lee and Kerry sat down, they made a decision, because they had a lot going on in their lives as well. They made a decision to sell the company, which was gutting, but it was the right decision to make. So that being aside, I always kept my balloons. I always do like little bits, odds and sods, but I never did parties or anything like that. It was just me basically doing balloons for friends, for families, for people's kids, and then just playing around. Then, hang on, 2022, so I've been out the entertainment industry for a couple of years at this point. Somebody put on Facebook, I really need a stilt walker, blah, 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 blah. And I got tagged in it and I was like, oh my God, I've not been on my stilts for years. So I messaged the company and I was like, what do you need? Where do you need me? Just a bit of a warning, I've not been on my stilts for a while. Blah, blah, blah. And she was like, no, it's fine. So I got some practice in and I turned up to Gull Pride and I met the amazing Sarah from Twisted Bells. It was a shock to the system. I turned up in Gull and everyone's there's half naked, they're getting ready, and I was like, oh, okay, what am I meant to be doing? So I will insert the clip here.
The sun shone as rainbows and music filled the streets of Goole.
It's the first time I've been to one of these events since I've been over here, and it's just amazing to see the community spirit. It's lovely.
It's my first slide I've done since I had top surgery as well. So I had top surgery done in November last year, so it's nice.
Just shows how much new into the night. Becky Thomas, BBC Look North, Goole.
Yeah, I had no idea I was being interviewed by BBC Look North. I was quite high up. She did not give me that information, and they just chopped up the interview and made me look like an absolute gimp. But after that, Sarah kept me on, and as you've seen by the vlogs, I'm still with Twisted Bells Entertainment. But that then leads to this, why I have two. I'm not classed as a multi-skill performer yet. I do stilts, I do balloon modelling, and I do kids' parties. I would love to be able to go and do fire breathing, or like fire skills, so then I can be a multi-skill performer. Probably missing something. I'm trying to reel it all off now before I forget. So then that led us to this year, 2024, where I started talking to Eamon, and I've not spoken to him for years. And it was when my van was broke and I needed somebody who could weld. And I got talking to him. We became really good friends again. And so we've never stopped being friends. It just, life got in the way. Had a really good catch up, and I now speak to him every day. Got the van back on the road, and he said, look, do you want to start doing discos again? I was like, no, I like having my weekends off, no. And he was like, I have been trying to poach you since I worked for Lee. And I was like, oh, that's cute. So I now do odd events, mainly discos, weddings, and occasional kids' parties. So this is why I split into two. With me being a freelance entertainment performer, I can then go to Star Entertainment, do my discos, the weddings, and his Star catering stuff. And then like today, I'm doing balloon modelling, but then under Twisted Bells, I do all the shows, the stilt walking, and all the other awesome content that you see. So this is why I have to split into two, because neither, obviously, Star Entertainment, we ain't gonna start dancing around doing routines because we cannot dance, and also Twisted Bells probably aren't gonna start doing wedding discos. This is why I'm split into two. I do this just for the sheer love of doing it. It's one of the things of most people in the industry will say, you've been bitten by an entertainment bug, you can't get away from it, and that is very true. I've tried so many times to get out of the entertainment industry, and I just keep getting pulled back in. And I'm very grateful for both of these people. They're not only, owners of their companies, but they are friends to me and more like family. Like, either of these two people, I know if I'm having a bad day, I can ring them and they'll be like, where are you? We'll come for a brew, or they'll sit on the phone to me. They are fantastic people and local companies, so this is why I have two on my chest. So, got a lot of rant over. There was some other bits and bobs I wanted to say, but I've had a bit of a ramble. I will have put at the beginning of this if you want to skip all of this out. So, yeah, right, let's go find out where we're going, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.
Yeah. Twist your hand into your bubble.
You can take the balloon away from the man, but you can't take the balloon modeler out the man. I'm such a child. I was really modelling and I saw Bumblebee and I just like legged out the marquee. My camera's mint in this weather. My day is absolutely made. As a massive Transformers fan, I'm also a fellow stilt worker. As soon as I saw him, I just darted out the market to get my picture with him, because I'm just a big kid, obviously. And also, another quick story time. Why is there, if you're gonna see it, being on my back? Because I used to be called Jelly Bean when I did kids' parties. but then my friend's little girl couldn't say Jelly Bean, so we got shortened to Bean. So I either go by Bean or JB. Sun's come out, I'm out walking around. I have just found out Bumblebee can be your best man and your ring bearer at your wedding. So I need to get so many likes on this video to persuade Meg to let Bumblebee be our ring bearer. Orange good? Orange and blue? I've been practicing. Need a lot more practice though, I think. Too full. Is that ready? We having one? Of course we are. What are you chopping me up for? Yes. There you go. Everybody. Challenge you.
I think you might win.
I think I might win. Stop that. Hang on. There you go. No, fine. Promise not to chop me up, but you chop each other up, okay?
Yeah.
That's our fair deal.
Yeah.
What match your hats on?
Thanks for this.
There you go.
What do you say?
Poodle's tail. Do you know what it is yet?
A frog. Hey!
Ready? Oh, adults, are we ready? Come on, kids, as loud as you can. You can scream and shout and stomp your feet. Are we ready? I'll take that. I'll squeeze it there.
Done. I've done an hour of balloon modelling and I've done an hour of games and dances. Now to do another hour of balloon modelling and then a quick break and then 3 o'clock back to more games and dances. So, quiet morning, but hopefully it picks up this afternoon. I'm knackered already. I used to do this every weekend, 2-3 times a day, just beyond me. I need to go back to the gym, I'm fit. Oh my god, top of the spot. And the heavens have opened, so everyone's legging it inside. It is already turned into a massive mudslide anyways. I'm heading back to my marquee and try to stay dry, but everyone's legging it. Hang on.
Thank you very much.
I've always had small dogs.
Hang on, there you go. I love it.
Where's California?
come out again, of course. If you look at the photo I've just posted, Lee and Kerry are the original people who got me involved in doing balloon modelling and kids' parties and things like that, and they've just told me it's their last year being on the committee for Barton Carnival, but spent some time together and as a family, which they need a break. To be fair, they've also been doing party time, they're doing Stumble on the Umber and everything like that. They're always busy, they never sit still. Like, every time I go in for a cup of tea, they never sit still. So yeah, they are the original OG, and I've been friends with them for far too long. I don't know how they put up with this one, but yeah, just some more balloons and then some food. That's what I'm going just in case.
And the wheels are spinning. I'm going round the back and get nice shredding to go on the back. Excuse me, just do me a favour, just hold your arms out for me. Yeah, catch it. Put your look away. Alright, I walk through it easier. No, just move it right. Hand out across the forehead. Right, never know where you need to put your weight.
Everybody clap your hands. Come on. Check it out, y'all. How low can you go? Can you go down low? All the way to the floor? How low can you go? Can you bring it to the top? Like you never stop? Can you bring it to the top? One hop. Right foot now. Left foot now, y'all. Cha-cha, real smooth. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. One hop this time. Reverse. Reverse. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. Two hops, two hops. Two hops, two hops. Right foot, left up. Left foot, left up. Charlie Brown. Hop it out now. Slide to the right. Slide to the left.
is the end of Barton Carnival 2024. I am exhausted, but I've had such a good day. Barring the weather being a bit off and on and the mud, it has been a really, really good day. I don't know if they actually watched this, but thank you very much for Barton Carnival for, you know, giving me the opportunity to come here. I've done Barton Carnival many, many years ago, but that's when I worked for another company. It's now as a freelance entertainer. It was daunting. I was so scared, but I've had a really, really good day. Amount of people coming up to me I've not seen for years, and just having general natters with people. But yeah, thank you very much for, if you stayed till the end, I really appreciate it. I don't know how well this videos will be put together. It's a lot of mixed match footage. But if you have stuck it out this far, please, please, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to leave a little bit of a comment, anything at all, so nothing rude or nasty, or I've actually managed to get through it without saying so many times, I hope. But like I say, like, subscribe, follow the journey. I am trying to post more content. I've got quite a few gigs coming up now. We've also got Slumber on the Humber in August, so please stay tuned for that. I do spend a lot of time, and I'm putting a lot of effort into my videos to try and make them more entertaining for you, and you can see the behind the scenes footage of what it's actually like to work in the entertainment industry, and not all the stuff you normally see, all the sweating and the horrible nitty gritty bits that not everybody gets to see. So thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you at the next one.